Chevy Silverado that I bought with money that I borrowed. And I can still remember you kissing my lips and backing me up against the fender. Yeah, we got lost in that backseat, for this thing ran on memories, couple dreams and some heartbreaking miles ago.